everyone, and Merry Meet, and welcome back to my channel. So today I got the second box from the Pixie Witch, which is an Australian company in Melbourne. So I thought I would open it online. So this time I've undone the tape and see if I can get it open. Because last time I had a bit of problem. Oh, here we go. Oh, we've got some incense. Smells nice. So this one is a spooky season, and this is their card. So ethical and affordable witchcraft from Pixie Witch. Lovely card. And let's have a look. So this is, it doesn't say, it just says incense, but it smells divine and it's black. And for some reason, I've got black paint all over me. I don't know why, because I haven't been painting anything black. So let's look. The first thing they can see is some black candles. And they have sort of like a red wick. So I don't know if they burn red, but it looks like they might. It says blood candles, so I'm assuming that means that they burn red, and they're very nice. We have some organic pura nagaranga. I think that's how you spell it. It's a fragrance spray in orange. And I think it's a room spray. It doesn't say it's a room spray, so, but it says on this little card here that it's a room spray, so it might be, it might not be. This is some cathedral ethno-tribal resin incense. That looks very nice. I wonder what that smells like. I have to burn some of that in my cauldron to find out what the smell is. Doesn't say. And yeah, nice. What else have we got in here? Ooh, this is heavy. Okay, that's somehow got itself onto there. Just let me get that off, because I'm sure that's not supposed to be on there. Just put that in there. So look at this. This is really nice. I have no idea what it is. Oh, I think it's a wall hanging, because there's a little thing there, and then there's tassels like this at the bottom. So I'm thinking this is a wall hanging. Let me have a look. Yes, a wall hanging. So I really like that. Purple's my favourite colour. So that's pretty cool. And what else have we got in here? This is tied in a knot. Just let me undo this. Oh my goodness, I'm having all sorts of problems here. So this is, I don't know if you can see that. I wonder if I've got something darker to put it underneath. Does that work? Oh, there we go. No, not really. Okay. Maybe if I put it on back on there. Anyway, it's a skull. It's a very fancy skull, and it's a pendant. And it looks like it's got an opening on it, because that looks like a latch of some kind. This is a skull pendant, and it comes with this, which is an orchid calcite. But that wouldn't go in there because it's too big. But I wonder how this opens. Because it does open. Ah, here we go. Opens like that. And you would put, this one's too big, but I'm assuming you would put a rock in there. How cool is that? I like that. I like that idea. It opens, you put your crystal or whatever in there. You could put cotton wool with smelly nice stuff on it. Very nice. Okay. And oh, yes, there is something else in here. Nice. There's Witch's Brew hand-rolled masala incense sticks. Ooh. Let's have a smell of those. Oh, they smell really nice. I like those. Wow. So they're nice. Okay. Yeah, I don't know how many you get. Let's have a look. Oh, you get quite a few, and you can tell they're hand rolled. See, they're nice. I'm not going to take them out because all that resin will go everywhere. All right, and we have a black cat with a pentagram on him, and he's onx, an onx cat. Nice. Anything else in here? No, we've got all these beads. Okay, so that's a nice little box. Some really interesting things in there. I used all the stuff that I got in the last box that I like, the incense. The burners, the green burners for your incense burner. I can't find them anywhere, so I have to keep looking. But I really like these. This is so cute. So there we go. Another little box from the Pixie Witch. Thank you guys for watching. Oh, sorry. And until the next time, please take care of the people around you, the people you love, and blessed be and merry part. Bye for now.